I always pretend that my living room is spotless and amazing, but the truth is there's a lot that I actually don't even take care of and rarely ever clean. So it is finally time to make my living room feel good and look good. I am so excited to do this because we hang out a lot in our living room and there's lots of germs, dust, fur, everything in there. I would like to blame Kennedy for all of this, but I actually shed like a dog as well. And we always have people come and stay in our apartment, sleep on our couch, but it is pretty friggin' dirty. I'm gonna put baking soda on the couch so it soaks up all the odors. It just kind of freshes it up. I'm gonna vacuum it all, make sure to get all the creases, all the food that Kennedy dropped in between the couch or that we drop whenever we eat. I am just so pumped that I'm finally doing this today. We love taking naps on this couch, hanging out, reading, whatever we want. So just the fact that I'm finally gonna be disinfecting it today and just making it smell and look amazing, it's just the best thing ever. I'm also going to be disinfecting the couch with this handheld travel steamer. I've had this for a few years and I use it once in a while to help in disinfecting the soft things in my apartment. So the couch, my bed, pillows, all of those things. I'm also gonna spot treat all the stains that we just kind of let sit there for months and years. And I'm gonna just use a soap and water solution to do that and just get rid of all the little things that we don't really take care of too often. We're gonna move this couch out of the way to finally vacuum and clean under the couch. I never ever do this. I just assume that nothing gets dirty under there, but there's so much dust and trash. You just forget about it because if you're not looking at it, you're like, oh, it's fine, it's not a big deal. It's a little bit gross. So I am gonna be also mopping it up just with soap and water and some essential oils. Since I already did move the couch, I am going to wipe down these frames as well, and I just use a vinegar and water solution to do this. I'm gonna do the same thing to the rug that I did to the couch. Just sprinkle some baking soda and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes just to soak up any odors, anything gross, and then I vacuum it all up. I'm also going to be spot treating this rug because there are so many spots from our shoes or from dropping food that we don't always clean up right away. So just using soap and warm water to get rid of all these nasty little stains. And I do like to use a rug that already has a pattern on it so it's not as obvious and so it doesn't look as dirty, but it is still good to actually clean it up. We have never ever cleaned our windows. We always vacuum the window ledge because we do have a lot of plants on there and we just like to disinfect it from time to time because we do touch it quite often, but I have never ever cleaned the actual windows in my apartment. So today I'm going to be using a vinegar, soap and water solution with a cotton rag, and we're going to be finally cleaning these giant windows. They're huge and I just never think of them. You don't think of them as an object in your house that you have to clean, but no, it is so necessary. These windows were disgusting. Like, I look at them all the time, but I never notice how dirty they are, and they do clean them on the outside from time to time, so I don't know, it just doesn't look that bad, but it's so disgusting. The rag was literally black, okay? There was black on there, not just a little dirt, not just a little dust, it was pitch black. I don't know what that's from, maybe the oil, the grease, I have no idea, but it's just the fact that I have never cleaned this. I'm so disappointed in myself, but it already looks and feels so amazing. I'm also gonna disinfect this coffee table. We had some nasty spaghetti sauce on there. We put all our stuff on there, our iPads, notebooks. We're constantly touching it, so it is nice to finally disinfect that and wipe down our books and get all the dust off and just make the living room feel and look amazing and clean. I am gonna take care of my plants today as well. I haven't really watered these plants in a few weeks. I do like to let them dry out completely because I don't want them to be overwatered, but sometimes I let it go too far. Today, I'm gonna be mixing some hydrogen peroxide with water, pouring it on top and adding a little more water. Hydrogen peroxide helps with fungus, root rot, so I like to do this every few months. People say you shouldn't do it that often, but I have found that it really helps the plants. That is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this inspired you to also clean the things that you've been avoiding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.